Now the next topic is application software. So let us read out the paragraph. Application software helps the computer to perform some specific function. Just like your eyes help you to see, in the same way, application software are programs that helps you perform a particular function. There are many application softwares in the computer's memory. The paint program on which you draw pictures is application software. So now let us understand what is application software. Application software are those software which are developed for a particular application only. यानी ये वो सॉफ्टवेयर हैं जिनको खाली एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम करने के लिए डिज़ाइन किया गया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन से टेक्स्ट पेंट. You have learned this text paint in class 3rd, class 4th. In these 2 years, you have worked on this particular text paint. Even you have worked on paint option. ये दो ऑप्शन आप लोगों ने वर्क किया है. तो text paint में होता क्या है? text paint में क्या है? There are different types of images. You pick the images or you will draw the images and you will color the images. तो ये particularly application software किस लिए डिज़ाइन किया गया है? To learn how to draw images, to learn how to paint the images. For this particular software has been developed. And the next option is paint. You can edit, you can crop, you can write anything on this. You can do cropping of the image, that means reducing the size, cutting of the image, everything you can do on this paint option. And the next one is notepad. Notepad is used to write some important notes. कुछ अगर आपको ज़रूरी सिस्टम पे नोट्स लिखना है तो यू कैन यूज़ नोटपैड का ऑप्शन. दिस इज़ द ऑप्शन ऑफ नोटपैड. एंड दिस इज़ द एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर ऑफ PowerPoint presentation on which you are seeing this video. Let me show you. As you can see, this is the PowerPoint presentation screen. So as you can see on this video, as this particular slide is been designed on PowerPoint presentation. That means PowerPoint presentation is an application software which is used to develop these kinds of slides, and for seminar and for all this purpose this particular application is being used. So this is the main use of application software. Now application software is divided into two types, that is general purpose application software and customized application software. So first we will see general purpose application software. So let us read out the paragraph. General purpose application software are used for general, professional and personal purposes. You can simply buy the software and start using it for any purpose such as designing, maintaining records and typing. For example, it includes MS Word, Photoshop, Paint, etc. Same. अब जनरल पर्पस सॉफ्टवेयर क्या है? जनरल पर्पस का मतलब है कि उसको जब हम डाउनलोड करके कई कामों के लिए यूज़ किया जा सकता है. So that is known as general purpose software. For example, MS Word. In MS Word, you can write, you can edit, you can color the text, you can copy the text, you can paste the text, you can cut the text. So these kind of things you will do in MS Word. And this is the logo of Photoshop. Photoshop में क्या करते हैं आप? कोई भी फ़ोटो आप लेते हैं, उसको एडिट करते हैं. ठीक है. सपोज़ आपने अपना फ़ोटो खिंचाया, बैकग्राउंड उसका अच्छा नहीं है, तो यू कैन चेंज द बैकग्राउंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ फोटोशॉप ऑप्शन. सो आपने फ़ोटो खिंचाया तो फ़ोटो थोड़ा सा डार्क आ गया, यू कैन इंक्रीज द ब्राइटनेस ऑफ द photo with the help of Photoshop option. That means you can do multiple tasks with the help of Photoshop option. The next is Paint. We have seen in the previous video what is the use of Paint. That means it is used to cut, crop, write and everything you can do on Paint. Next is QB64. QB64 again is a programming language used to do programming in the system. Basic programming in the system, not the high level programming. Only basic programming we can do with QB64. So these are the general purpose software and these software can be used by any generations of people. It can be the younger one or it can be the older one or it can be the middle-aged persons. So this was the main use of general purpose application software. We'll move to the next point, that is customized application software. Let us read out the paragraph. These software are designed specially to meet the needs of a specific group. For example, an ERP software designed for a school or a salary credit system or even an office attendance system are example of customized application software. The word customized in itself means designed for a special purpose. Yes, customize का मतलब क्या है? कि पर्टिकुलरली एक ही चीज़ के लिए वो सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया और उसको कोई दूसरा यूज़ नहीं कर सकता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल विल टेक आधार कार्ड. आधार कार्ड किस लिए बनाया गया है? आधार कार्ड, द मेन पर्पज ऑफ आधार कार्ड इज़ फॉर द यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन कार्ड ऑफ एन इंडियन सिटीजन. सो आधार कार्ड खाली इंडिया के लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं जो इंडिया के सिटीजन हैं. आउट ऑफ इंडिया दे कांट यूज़ आधार कार्ड. सेम IRTC. IRTC क्या है? ये इंडियन रेलवे का टिकट करने का मेन वो है, साइट है. फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन बुक योर टिकट्स, कैंसिल योर टिकट, बुक योर कैटरिंग सिस्टम ऑन द ट्रेन. इफ यू वांट टू ऑर्डर एनी फूड, यू विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस IRTC साइट यू कैन डू दैट. एंड देन नेक्स्ट इज BSE. BSE का फुल फॉर्म है बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज इसका फुल फॉर्म है. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे स्टॉक मार्केट यहाँ पे किया जाता है. शेयर खरीदना, शेयर बेचना, ऑल दोज थिंग्स विल डू इन दिस पर्टिकुलर customized application software. So this was your customized application software.